What's up guys, this is Camille. I just hitchhiked to this place. It's called Whiritoa, which I did pronounce it right. I hitchhiked all the way from Hawaii. And there you go, here we are on the beautiful seaside of the beaches. The only negative things about this is windy and the current is quite huge, man. So I enjoy the breeze and I wish the temperature can be a little bit hotter so the down to the water will not be so cold. I had a lot of fun of hitchhiking and it comes easy as that. Didn't even, wave my hand on the street and there was just a truck stopped right next by me. And this guy called John, he's very nice, he's a truck driver. He's been driving for 42 years and he drove me all the way from the north end of the 25 freeway to Whiritoa. So I'm gonna walk all the way to the south end. I'm going to visit blowhole. And later on, I'm gonna walk all the way to the north side to swim in a lagoon. Hopefully lagoon is swimmable. Follow me and as I go. See you guys. Almost arrived. Some seagull. Oh, but I guess I have to visit here during high tide so the water can run into the gap between the rocks, making it look like a blowhole. Look at this interesting carving by the travelers. Arrived here. I believe the direction says keep walking this way. Is it? Or does it look like? Look, I see the blowhole. I just passed through the blowhole during its low tide. If you want to see blowhole, I have to stay here until it's high tide, which is I think it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, so that's supposed to be the blowhole and it's all dried up now. I'm not even sure will there be any water coming in during high tide. Just going to relax here for a bit. Look at this beautiful weather, so relaxed. That's what I need. Along the shore here, and here comes this tiny little cave, but I think the water will run over once it's high tide, because you look at this area, it's not huge and big enough for the waters to run along the way, but it's a very secret and private area though. And look at the water. I'm in my swimsuit and I want to go down to the water. And here's really nice because they also got a lifeguard, as you can see. but anyway, it's a good spot to get under the water. But just only in this area though, because the current's pretty huge and strong. In case I'm gonna lose my GoPro, so I'm just gonna leave my camera here. Well, I have to say the water is really in frozen temperature down there, and it's like icy cold. I couldn't really do it, just keep swimming. Now I cannot really do it. I got up and doing the sun bath here, and right now feels so good because the temperature, the water is cold but the sun is warm, so getting warmed up very fast. I'm just walking to the north of Whiritoa to the lagoon. Safer, much safer, even for the kids to swim in. I'm going to find out. Oh great, so this is the lagoon with some mud water. Alrighty, so this spot we're going to be my resting spot for a while, but it's not soft, it's hard rock. Here we are. That's the lagoon. It's gonna be very shallow. Really shallow. Okay, maybe here it gets a little bit different, deeper. The temperature right now is very comfortable, so that makes water a little bit colder, but the water here is already warmer than the ones at the beach side.
Watch, looking at my food.
Wow, this is so nice. They got a public toilet right by the lagoon. Walking south of the lagoon and you head uphill. It's a public toilet right by. Hello guys, right now I'm in the south end of this beautiful town, Whangamata. Because when I was hitchhiking, the driver told me that this place, the south end, is a good diving spot. But I do see some warning signs saying that I had to wear some life vest. But I'm going to go over that point and do some snorkeling. I'm gonna give this place a try to snorkel. Is there really anything down there? Because when I was in lagoon at Whiritoa, there was nothing to see in the lagoon. So let's go. here we go. It's pretty windy, and I expect the water going to be cold again. Sun is a little bit setting down because it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Wow, there's a very wide, huge beach side of the south end of Whangamata. Really not sure, should I go in further all the way into the water? So I just fell from the swing and kind of scratched myself a little bit, and now it hurts. Oh, you can see. So damn it, not gonna try. Right now I'm just gonna to walk around. Okay, that's my last destination here. After this I'm gonna leave. Yeah, I'm gonna walk there. Wow, so straight ahead of me is entrance of the ocean to the river. I came from the point, inner land, and walk all the way out here. Here I am sunburned, so that's why I have my scarf with me. So you can see my background, this beautiful beach side. Too bad I only have tiny time, don't have much time here, very little time. I got to hitchhike all the way back, so I'm worried about that. It's gonna get dark soon. Still 3-4 hours ahead. I'm not gonna to stay here as there's nothing snorkel, there's no snorkel and swim that I can do. I am walk a little bit along the shore and I'm heading back. So I'm back safe and sound. I hitchhiked and now I got back, took a shower and cooked my dinner. Haven't ate yet, but I'm gonna to. You guys cannot believe how lucky I was today. I wouldn't imagine that. Okay, so on the way, Whiritoa, hitchhiked twice to Whangamata. Encountered to someone who's actually a neighbor of my host. He happened to live just right down the hill. It's just a few meters away, but very close. It's right next to the neighbor. He's a good friend of my host, and they used to often playing music together. And I just can't believe that how lucky I am. Otherwise, I would have to spend another hour to hitchhike. It's just happened in the right time and the right place. You know, that's the meaning that you have to travel. This unexpected, lucky thing will happen to you. I mean, happened to me unexpected, right? And it really boosts my confidence of traveling solo, especially hitchhiking. At least in New Zealand, it's like that damn much easy and unbelievable surprise. Going to wrap up for today, so see you guys next time.